What's up? Here's your McCainFourth.com video for the Finding Factors homework for 4OA4. These are the ones that you were left to do for homework after doing all the ones above. So I'll go through real quick and show how to do these just so you can make sure you can check your work. So anyway, the big difference today is we have these ones that say not on them. So is not a factor of 4, and we have to ask what are factors, and factors are the numbers that we can multiply together to make that number. That's what factors are. So we're wondering, does 1 times something make 4? Oh, it actually does. Okay. So 1 times 4 equals 4. Does 2 times something make 4? Yeah, 2 times 2 makes 4. Remember, we're looking for the one that does not work. Does 4 times something equal 4? Yeah, 4 times 1 equals 4. Does 7 times something equal 4? Nope, that doesn't work. Okay, so that's our correct answer, actually. Okay, so these are the bad ones. So one way to check is we can do 4 divided by 7. We know it's going to be a decimal, but also a factor of 4 means it's a smaller number that you can multiply, and that's a bigger number, so we already know that can't work. Okay, so we're just going to circle that, and our proof is up here, but you also could just show 4 divided by 7, and you can see it's a major decimal, 0.57. So 4 divided by 7 equals 0.57, and there's our proof that it doesn't work. All right, number 8. Which below is not a factor of 10? So we're circling the one that doesn't work. So on our calculator, you might just be asking yourself, remember, 5 times what equals 10? 2 times what equals 10? Or on the calculator, you're doing 10 divided by 5, and that works. 10 divided by 2, and that works. 10 divided by 10, and that works. 10 divided by 8, and that gets us 1.25. So that's our proof of the one that doesn't work. 10 divided by 8 equals 1.25. And so there's the one that is not working. Okay? All right, number 9, which number is not a factor of 6? Okay, so we're focusing on the numbers that multiply to make 6. We want to find the one that doesn't work. Okay, so right away I know 7 times something can't make 6, so that doesn't work. Okay, so I already found the answer, but we're going to put our proof, which is 6 divided by 7 equals, and it equals 0.85. All right, and then down here, which number is a factor of 16? So we want to find the one that does work, is a whole number. So we can keep testing. 16 divided by 7, 16 divided by 8, or just ask yourself 7 times what equals 16? 8 times what equals 16? Find the one that works. Okay, so whatever method you're doing, you can choose what works best for you. So right away I know 8 times something equals 16, so that's my answer. So I can either show this proof, or if you're doing the division method, you would have 16 divided by 8 equals 2 as your proof of which one works. Okay. Over here, which one is not a factor of 15? So I'm circling not. We want to know which numbers multiply together to make 15. So does 6 times something make 15? I don't think so. Let's check. 15 divided by 6, and it equals a decimal. So I found the one that does not work, and I'm going to circle it. So 15 divided by 6 equals 2.5. There's the one that does not work. And last one for your homework. Which number below is a factor of 8? So is a factor of 8. So we're wondering which one of these multiplies to make 8. Does 7 times something equal 8? No. Does 4 times something equal 8? Oh, I think so. Let me check. So we're going to do 8 divided by 4 to check, and that equals 2. So you either have 8 divided by 4 equals 2, or your brain just knew that 4 times 2 equaled 8. Okay. All right, so we found the one that is a factor of 8. Let's circle it. Now, at the end of all your work, make sure you're doing this, and this is how you check and make sure you didn't make a silly mistake. Not not, meaning it's not a whole number, it's a decimal, it's the bad one. So that's good, it matches. Not, is, there's our whole number. Not, decimal, and is. So that just makes sure that we paid attention to that not and is and didn't get confused. All right, nice job. See you tomorrow.